Hi everybody, and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. This is going to be another non-shaving shaving video. I got a shave mail, and let's see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Let me see if I can line that up. Can you see that? Well, it came from Japan. Oh, this is a heavy box. And this is the top of the box. Have you guessed what's in it? This is from another vendor. This is the second time I ordered from this vendor. So, if you were unable to read that label, what I'm unboxing here is a Japanese natural whetstone. It's a Shohonyama Nakayama Asagi. And it's a big one. It's 1,140 grams. So, let's get the scissors here. Try not to cut myself. Try not to drop the stone. That would be a shame if it was ruined before I even got to use it, right? It's a finishing stone, and it wasn't cheap. Ugh. Come on, stubborn corner here doesn't want to open up. Okay, there we go. There's some protection. Oh, that's just holding that down. So get rid of some of the bubble wrap that's in here. Good protection. Those little bubbles. And then there's more bubble wrap, and down below there's some more, and down below there's more newspaper. If I could read Japanese, I'd read the newspapers, and this came wrapped around it. So let's take that out of that package, and this is an outer wrapper also, and again it's thanking me for taking the time to order from them. Same vendor I got the other stone from, and oh boy, this one is heavy. Wow. Look how long that is. It's longer than the palm of my hand. What does that measure? Let me get my tape. 1,140 grams. It's 8 inches. 8 inches by 2 3/4. And it's quite thick, and it does have the sealed bottom on it. So that's a big one. I cannot wait to use that. So that's it for the shave mail, and I'll see you in a video maybe tomorrow, next day. Bye. Love you guys.